Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Focus Sash keeps a full HP Pokémon at exactly 1 HP when hit by a knockout move. It triggers only once per battle and cannot repeatedly save the same Pokémon. The item must be held before the hit for the effect to work. Focus Sash is ideal for fragile sweepers or lead Pokémon needing one guaranteed turn. Use it to secure a setup move or a crucial attack when your opponent aims to OHKO you. Remember, one Focus Sash protects one Pokémon per battle. Start by checking your game version for specific sources like shops and facilities. Many games offer Focus Sash in Battle Facility reward shops or as NPC shop inventory. Wild Pokémon occasionally hold Focus Sash. Use Thief, Covet, or a capture tactic to acquire it. Some titles hand out Focus Sash through in-game events, mystery gifts, or post-game vendors. Always search PC storage or bag categories after events. Keep in mind availability differs across titles and generations. Equip Focus Sash to a single fragile Pokémon to guarantee one survivable turn. The Sash activates only if the holder is at full health before the hit lands. After it triggers, the item is consumed and cannot protect again in that battle. Swap or replace used Focus Sash items between battles to maintain readiness. Use predictive play, bait big attacks, or set up speed and boost moves while protected. Manage your items so each key Pokémon has a clear survival plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.